Our political specialist, Sean Boyd, joining us now. And Sean, sounds like President Trump is considering a Colorado judge for that vacant seat.
And Jim, Judge Allison Ide among the top contenders. A former Colorado Supreme Court justice, she now sits on the 10th Circuit Court of Appeals. Those who know her say not only is she fair and impartial, she's compassionate and kind. Among her supporters, Senator Cory Gardner, who is in one of the toughest re-election battles in the country.
We're here to push Senator Cory Gardner to wait until after the next presidential inauguration.
In Denver, liberals pressured Senator Cory Gardner to hold off on confirming a new Supreme Court justice, while in Washington, President Trump promised he would name a female nominee by the end of the week. Colorado Judge Allison Ide among those on his short list. Attorney David Wilson has known Ide for 30 years and says not only is she widely respected in the legal community, she was friends with Justice Ginsburg and a mentor to Ginsburg's son.
There are these connections that really transcend politics and also just reflect that it's possible for people to get along regardless of ideological disagreement.
Whatever Ginsburg may have thought of Ide, top Democrats are warning against any Trump nominee and threatening to expand the court if they win in November.
That's a really bad idea that upsets the balance of power, but it also results in a situation where there's no end game.
4 Republican senators would have to join all the Democrats to delay a vote. Gardner hasn't said what he'll do, but CBS 4 Republican analyst Dick Wadham says he'll do what every Republican should do.
Senator Gardner is going to vote for the nominee. President Trump's term did not end before the election. It ends on January 20th, whether he gets reelected or not. And so the Democrats are playing with fire, I think.
Wadham's accused Democrats of hypocrisy, saying they were okay with President Obama appointing a nominee in an election year, but not Trump. He admits Republicans are guilty, too. They said the Senate should wait in 2016, Senator Gardner included, which makes it difficult for him now. Jim?
Thank you, Sean.